This video covers modifying piping components within AVEVA E3D 2.1. With pipe 200-B-4 in the 3D view, click Elbow 1. Click the Modify Component button to display the piping component editor form. Ensure Forwards mode is in operation and click the D-axis on the Direction tool. Select the downstream elbow from the component sequence list. Click the Connect to Previous button. Click the Next Component button from the Position Through section. Click the Direction to Next button from the Orientation section. Select the downstream elbow from the component sequence list. Click the Direct Selection Component button. Perform a save work.